My name is Dr. Tehrani. I'm a board-certified plastic surgeon in Newport Beach, California. We just completed our mommy makeover transformation. We did a full abdominoplasty with liposuction of the abdomen and a large volume breast reduction with creation of an internal bra and fat grafting. Our patient is now undergoing the second phase of our ELIXIR MD treatment, the cellular repair phase. During this phase, we use yellow light therapy through photobiomodulation to stimulate cellular repair and remove debris by stimulating the lymphatic channels. The smooth muscles of the lymphatic channels contract, allow for lymphatic drainage and removal of some of the debris during the cellular repair process. This reduces inflammation and secondarily causes less pain for patients and a quicker recovery.